Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And then tap on Edit Contact. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's just tap on this profile picture, and now you can either take a photo and then your device will immediately open the camera app, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will simply take a photo. I do not have any photos in my gallery, so maybe this flower, let's say, this plant. Alright, so we've got it, so let's tap on the stick icon, and now in this step we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out. We can also change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on Done. Now let's tap on tick icon in the right upper corner, and basically this is how our contact will look like with the photo applied. You will be able to see this photo after entering the contact from the contact list on, for example, during incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.